Good morning. Today is launch day. I did skip yesterday to shoot video because I was in a bit of a stressful situation. The fuel filter, the pre-filter, leaked like a sieve, so I had to disconnect it, and I had no option other than to install the alternative fuel system. And I don't know if you can see it, but over there we got 2 or 3 cans. The left one is filled with the diesel from the original tank in here, so 6-year-old diesel, but it was clear. There was no mess. I'm gonna fill up the second one also with fresh diesel from the marina here, and the other is just a waste tank with waste oil. So other things I did was I finished some small electrical work so that we could use the 12 volt on board when we sail off on Friday. And yeah, but it's not the complete onboard 12 volt system, because yeah, I don't know where all the wires go and how to wire it at all. And besides, I cut off a lot of wires. Yeah, I just got my lithium iron phosphate battery, 280 amp hours. So I hooked up an inverter and 3000 watts. Yeah, it's Chinese, but it's got the Sinewave, not the simulated Sinewave, but the real Sin. So that should be good, and I can run some, I don't know, vacuum cleaner or make a cup of coffee or anything along the way that doesn't run from 12 volts. So the 12 volt system is purely for loading up the mobile devices like phones and iPads and that kind of stuff. I still have some cleaning to do because we will launch in 1 hour and a half, and I want to make a bit of a cleanup round over here. All the junk. I cleaned out the aft cabin, and I'm cleaning out this cabin, but this can also wait until we are moored. So just to make sure nothing lippity slides when we launch, I just do this. I'm making open up this floorboard here so we can see instant leaks. I've got a leaky device underneath here for possible leaks from the toilet area over there, the head and stuff. I got one still have to place over here, and I got one beneath or under the engine. I also made the switch here for the automatic bilge pump, but since that's only from the side, in the middle part I've got the leak detector. I believe I still have to do the video because the video I did about them was without sound, so of no use at all. But in a nutshell, it's a floaty device with runs on a 9 volt battery, and as soon as it makes contact with water, it makes a hell of a noise. So that's the only thing it does. Okay, here I got my battery contraption with the power inverter and my 12 volt system, and yeah, totally unprotected, but there's not supposed to go anywhere here, so no problems there. I did a bit of a test run yesterday with the engine. I started her up because I was trying to bleed the fuel system. I just fired up for 2 or 3 seconds to test the gearbox, and it turned forward and reverse, no problem. But then I noticed that the prop shaft, which I mounted yesterday, I thought it was pretty straight, but the moment I switched into the forward or reverse gear, the whole thing goes like this. So yeah, I have to do some realignment over there, but I want to do that when I'm in the water. I'm not gonna stress the engine. Yeah, let's do that when it's in the water, and I got the time today to finish that kind of things. Okay, next up, launch. Okay guys, it's going on. She's finally gonna launch. Yeah, can't wait to see her floating. But I'm also curious if one of the seacocks might be leaking, because there's been water inside the boat for 6 years and it's been freezing, so kind of exciting, but we'll see. Yeah, let's wait for the launch party and we'll continue from there. She's afloat. She's floating. Okay guys, update. We're floating and I drove the boat from the crane to the berth where she's lying now. But something strange occurred. When I turned my steering wheel to starboard side, the boat went to port. So I've mixed up the cables. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, starboard, full starboard. Starboard, full starboard. Port. So I have to do that again. Also the alignment of the engine is still not what it should be, I guess. But yeah, maybe we can do that later on. First I've got to fix the steering. So reverse the cables.
Many minutes later.
So yeah, I fixed both the steering installation, so when steering to starboard, the ship will actually go to starboard now. And I tried to adjust the shaft a little bit to the engine. Yeah, I think it all worked out. So I'm happy right now. I'm going to finish up here. I'm going to end this video, and the next time I'll see you will be with 4 persons, 2 of my mates and my brother. And then we'll go to the big adventure. Okay, see you guys then. Bye.
1 week later.
channel. Yesterday we started at the marina. Had a little bit of engine fixing to do as the prop shaft didn't align quite well eventually. So we had to fix it, and we did it this morning. Yeah, we're making good progress, and well, I'll show you some things from the scenery and our trip. We still got this was the second day. We're going to Huizen. It's on the IJsselmeer, the IJssel Lake. Yeah, we hope to be there around dinner time. So yeah, we can grab a bite and then do some diesel tanking. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, bye.
mi gente.